Here in front of me, I've got a small diorama from the brand Modelart. And they are coming ready out of the box and they are going for a very reasonable price. I will place the link in the description of the video of where I bought it. Okay, now let's have a look at the box first. Miniature scene model art. Discover your own miniature world. Got the other side. Barcode and article number. Another barcode. As you can see, it comes in a nice package. Okay, here we already have a small piece that is for the diorama. And we have this right here, piece of road and the base for the diorama, I think. And here is the diorama, and like I said, ready out of the box. I like what they did with the photo print windows. Those are the same clothes hanging behind the window. Am I seeing that? What? Looks like it. Oh. But yeah, it's also the same room, so that might be possible. Oh no, here, they did it again. Same print, here on the other side. Goes for a reasonable price, I was saying, right? What's here on the side? Some Chinese newspaper signs. And here for the rain. This means something like snacks, I guess. But I was thinking, okay, let's so it has to be something like this, and this goes right here. There we go. That's finished. And how does it look when a car goes inside? Yeah, looks something like this. Two cars. It's pretty cool. But I was thinking, so I did a video about this working rigs, and I cut out the Matchbox logo. And what if I take some glue? Yeah, it's very simple, very basic, I know. And I do it like this. It's not that I'm against Chinese signs, but I think this is much cooler, right? Okay, let's try it. Why not? Like I was saying, very basic, nothing special. And if I can do it, you can do it. And like I was saying, it comes from the Matchbox Working Rigs package. So you put some glue on it. I guess you can use many types of glue. Then I'm going to place it right here. A little bit to the right. I think it's a pretty good fit. It's basically made for this. You can also use other signs. I thought it was cool when I used this Matchbox logo. And yeah, if you're really good, you can print your Matchbox logo in the size of this Chinese sign. Why not? I'm doing it like this, and it works fine for me. I can live with it. Okay. Let me know what you think about the diorama. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Bye.